Hey guys, welcome to Beastride DIY. I want to show you an issue or how to fix an issue where if you have a musty smell coming out of your air conditioner. Now, I know what the first thing you're going to say, and that's the first thing I'm going to talk about, which is going to be changing your air filter, but that's not the thing I'm going to address fully here. I'm going to talk about using some of this Lysol, and we're going to use that to clean up some bad bacteria in the actual vents themselves, but there's a specific way you do that. But first off, of course, you're going to want to go ahead and change out your cabin air filter. And what you do is this pops off on this vehicle. So this is what our cabin air filter looks like. It doesn't look too bad. If it's caught a lot of debris and it's pretty dark, you'd want to replace it. So it just goes back in like that. You've got the cover here, and it's going to click back on both sides. And it's also got another small cover like this that'll just pop back on. Now next up, what I'm going to do is if you're getting that musty smell from your AC, is you can take a can of Lysol. I personally like the lemon scent, but this is all they had. And we are going to spray it on the intake outside. Now, before you do this, you're going to want to look at your AC here. You don't want it like this. So you don't want it where it's circulating the air inside the car, because that's not going to bring in the air from outside the car, which is where we're going to spray it. So we want to make sure the AC is on. It is on, and we're going to turn it up all the way. Now, when you do this, we're going to spray outside. I'm going to warn you, you're going to want to not be in the car for maybe 10 to 15 minutes after you do this, because you're going to have that Lysol scent and the spray coming back out through the vents, but that's what's going to clean them. But it might irritate you and make you cough. So just keep that in mind, and I'm going to show you where we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to pop the hood, and I'm going to show you where to spray. And we're going to spray on the air intake right in here. So you can see right here, and you can right under the windshield. So we're just going to shake this on up and give it a good spray. So here we go. So you're going to want to kind of come in spray each little area, and you can do it 2 or 3 times on each side. We just want to make sure that it's sucking the air in. So now that we've done that, close this up. And now that you can come back inside, whew, you can definitely smell it. So right now you're going to want to put down your windows, just like that. Make sure that the air is all the way up, because what that's going to be doing is it's going to be sucking the air through the intake where you sprayed the Lysol. Now this is a disinfectant spray. So now what happens, and excuse me if I stop talking because you're not supposed to be doing what I'm doing right now, which is staying in the car while it's blowing out full speed at you here. So just keep that in mind. You probably will not want to be in the car. You'll want to be outside the car for about 15 minutes after this. This disinfectant spray is going to be coming through the vents, and it's going to spray into the vents like we just saw, come through the whole vent. And if you have that musty smell in here, musty smells are generally brought on by buildup of bacteria, and this is going to be killing that bacteria and the germs. That's one thing you can do. I only have had to do this maybe once a year, if that, because you just have to be smart with your AC. Now, here's another tip that I've gotten actually from viewers. If you don't want the musty smell to build up, especially in the summertime, when you're driving home, say you're driving home from work, you have the AC on, you can actually change it just to fan. So instead of the AC mode going on, you can just have the fan run for the last like 60 seconds or 2 minutes of your ride home, because you have the condensate buildup, and there's water that drips inside of here. That's what causes that bacteria buildup. Once you have that buildup, the bacteria grows on top of the water. Now what the fan does is when you have the fan blowing, that's going to dry it out. So using the fan for the last 2 minutes is going to be able to help not have that musty smell. We've got the Lysol. We've used the Lysol. Air filter, when you do this, you can leave it in or out. It's not going to really matter. You can replace the air filter and just keep it out while you're doing this. It's not going to make a difference. We've done that. Say you've changed the air filter, you've got this going, you're not going to have a musty smell in here, at least for a while. Another thing that could be causing this is not actually from the HVAC. It could be, watch this, if you look up here, say it's been raining, I've had it where I still have that musty smell and I'm about to go crazy. You can actually have this still cracked open a little bit. So if it's been raining, it's humid, for some reason you may bump this up here or whatever happens and it's slightly open, you're gonna have that humidity coming in through your moonroof or sunroof, whatever you call it. So double check this maybe before you go through all that, because that's gonna solve a lot of those issues. Now, last thing you wanna do, the smell's starting to dissipate, which is good for my voice. So say you've done the air filter, you've used the Lysol, you sprayed it in here, you've got the bacteria killed through the HVAC system, AC system, and you've checked your sunroof. Check your cup holders, check your side doors here for old food, old drinks. That can cause a smell in cars as well. And I've had the issue especially with bananas and fruit, where you'll stash that away in a work bag somewhere. A month later, you come to find it, you've got a nice black moldy mess, which is not going to be fun, but it could solve your problems with smell. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below in the comments.